Understanding Marsh Restoration, a guide to ecosystem revival. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We are going to explore the fascinating topic of marsh restoration. This concept is not just important for environmentalists, but for everyone who cares about our planet. Let's dive in and understand what marsh restoration really means and why it's so crucial. Before we delve into marsh restoration, it's important to understand what a marsh is. A marsh is a type of wetland, an area of land where water covers the ground for long periods. It's a unique ecosystem home to a variety of plants and animals. Marshes play critical roles in water purification, flood control, and providing habitats for wildlife. Marshes are not just beautiful parts of nature. They are vital for environmental health. They act as natural water filters and are crucial breeding grounds for many species. Marshes also store carbon, which helps in fighting climate change. Unfortunately, many marshes around the world are under threat due to human activities. Now, let's talk about marsh restoration. It refers to the process of bringing a damaged or destroyed marsh back to its original state. This involves activities like replanting native plants, removing pollutants, and sometimes, altering the land to restore natural water flow. The goal is to revive the marsh so it can return to its role as a vital ecosystem. Marsh restoration is a detailed process. It typically involves assessment of damage, planning restoration activities, implementation, and ongoing monitoring. Specialists like ecologists and environmental engineers often work together in these projects. They aim to restore the balance of the marsh without causing further harm. Restoration is not always straightforward. There are challenges like finding the right balance in water levels, dealing with pollution, and ensuring that native species thrive. Sometimes, it's a race against time to save a marsh from permanent damage. Despite these challenges, successful restoration can bring immense benefits. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of marsh restoration and its importance. These efforts are crucial for maintaining the balance of our ecosystems and protecting the planet. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this informative and inspiring. Remember, every small step towards environmental conservation makes a big difference.